Hello student, today we are going to know about leaf. First we know what is the definition of a typical leaf. A flattened structure of a higher plant, typically green and blade-like, that is attached to a stem directly or via stalk. The leaf is the primary photosynthetic organ of the plant. Why it is known as primary photosynthetic organ of the plant? Due to the presence of chlorophyll, the photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll present in the plant, green plant mostly. That's why leaf is the primary photosynthetic organ of the plant. Next, know sometimes leaves are divided into two or more sections. These are called leaflets. What are leaflets? Suppose here in a leaves are divided into so many sections. These are known as leaflets. The small leaves are known as leaflets. Leaves with a single undivided blade are called simple leaf. This is the structure of a simple leaf. Those with two or more leaflets are called compound leaf. This is an example of a compound leaf. These are all leaflets. All of you see, these small leaves are known as leaflets. So all of you understood simple leaf and compound leaf. In my small video in my channel, I already uploaded an example of simple and compound leaf. In my next video, I will again explain detailedly about simple and compound leaf. Next, we are going to know about structure of a typical leaf. So, first, all of you know about this. This is a typical leaf here. It is a simple leaf. There is no leaflet present. It is the tip of the leaf, which is also known as apex. So apex, which is the tip of the leaf. Here, it is a middle portion. There is a long rod-like structure which is known as midrib. This is known as midrib. Midrib again divided into so many sections which is known as veins. All of you see, these are the veins of the leaves. When you hold these leaves towards the light, all of you see the veins again divided into so many sections which are known as venules. So these are the venations of the leaf. So next, know about petiole. What is petiole? Petiole, it is the cylindrical rod-like structure supporting the lamina at its base. So this overall portion which is known as lamina or leaf blade. Lamina consists of apex, midrib and the base of the leaf. This is the base of the leaf. This point is known as base of the leaf. So these three portions which are the part of lamina, apex, midrib, and this portion which is attached with the petiole, which is known as base of the leaf. So what is lamina? Come to lamina or leaf blade. What is lamina or leaf blade? It is thin, dorsiventally flattened, expanded green terminal portion of the leaf. Lamina is always traversed by network of vein. So next, know about petiole. What is petiole? It is the cylindrical rod-like structure supporting the lamina at its base. So petiole is the rod-like structure which supporting the lamina at its base. So what is the functions of this lamina? What is the function of this lamina? Lamina synthesizes food by photosynthesis. Gaseous exchange takes place through lamina. During photosynthesis and transpiration, respiration occurs through the stomata which are all present in this lamina. So lamina is the main organ of the leaf. All main parts of the leaf which is consist in this lamina. Lamina also take part in excretion by storage of metabolic waste and its abscission. So next, come to know about leaf base. What is leaf base? It is very important thing. What is leaf base? It is the point of attachment of the petiole with the stem. So sometimes question can come, what is the point of attachment with the petiole with the stem? This is leaf base. Leaf base is the point of attachment with the petiole with the stem. So these all are the parts of a typical leaf. So typical leaves, again I repeated these things again. So typical leaf consists of following parts, that is the main part which is lamina or leaf blade. Leaf blade or lamina consists of apex, midrib, and this is the base of the leaf. Next part which is known as petiole and the leaf base, which is the point of attachment of the leaf petiole with the stem. Now we are going to know about characteristics of leaf. The leaf is flattened, lateral growth of the stem. It is borne on the node of the stem. So what is node? From the stem, that is the point where the leaves emerges out. These points are known as node, and the gap between two nodes, which is known as internode. So internode is the intermediate space between two nodes, which is known as internode. Next, so it is exogenous in origin. Exogenous means origin is externally. It often bear axillary bud in its axil. So what is axillary bud? This is stem, and here the leaves emerges out. Between the stem and leaf, if there is any bud present, which is known as axillary bud. In my another video, you detailedly know about different types of bud. So today we just focus on leaf structure. The leaf base may possesses two lateral outgrowth called stipules. All of you see that Here at the leaf base there is an extended part which is known as stipule. A leaf is differentiated into three main parts. I already told you what are the parts: lamina, petiole and leaf base. Next, the last point, the lamina is traversed by prominent streaks called veins. So this is the midrib again further divided into, all of you see, these are the vein again divided into small venules. So these are all about the structure of a typical leaf. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you.